An exterior shutter with a paint blemish can typically be repaired with minimal time and effort. To prepare the surface for painting, lightly sand the affected area with 220 grit sandpaper, applying minimal pressure and moving in the same direction as the shutter component. Wipe the area to remove the dust. Shake the touch-up paint bottle thoroughly to ensure even mixing. You may either paint directly from the bottle or decant into a more accessible container. Using a small straight-edge brush, dip the tip into the paint and apply with long, smooth strokes in a single direction, feathering the edges. Then reverse the strokes and fade the paint in the opposite direction. Work efficiently, as the paint dries quickly and will clump once it begins to cure. A foam brush can be equally effective. The touch-up paint may initially appear slightly different in tone or sheen, but it will blend with the surrounding area as it dries. If the dried paint appears thin, or if a second coat is desired, lightly scuff the surface again, then apply the additional coat. Shutterland is committed to helping you select the best exterior shutters for your windows. Visit us at shutterland.com to view our full range of styles and materials, along with detailed specifications, pricing, and ordering. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for great tips and helpful information about exterior shutters.